How to use Drift iSales Pro properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Drift iSales Pro is a game changer for generating leads and streamlining sales conversations, but most beginners make mistakes that cost them opportunities. The surprising truth is that many companies invest in Drift but fail to see the expected results simply because they don't use it strategically. The first mistake is not setting up proper lead qualification. Drift allows you to pre-qualify visitors using chatbots and forms, but beginners often skip this step, wasting time on unqualified leads. For example, configuring qualification questions ensures only high-potential leads are routed to your sales team, saving hours of unnecessary follow-up. Another common error is ignoring personalization. Drift can tailor conversations based on visitor behavior and account information. Beginners often send generic messages, which lowers engagement. Using personalized greetings, product recommendations, or content suggestions dramatically increases the chance of conversion. Beginners also fail to integrate Drift with their CRM. Without connecting Drift to platforms like Salesforce or HubSpot, lead data remains siloed, making it difficult to track and follow up efficiently. Integrating ensures all interactions are logged automatically, providing a complete picture of the sales pipeline. A fourth mistake is not using Drift's playbooks. Playbooks are pre-built conversation flows for specific scenarios like demos, pricing requests, or support. Skipping them results in inconsistent messaging and lost leads. Implementing playbooks streamlines the sales process and ensures your team is always on the same page. Finally, many users ignore analytics. Drift provides detailed insights into conversation performance, engagement rates, and conversion metrics. Failing to monitor these means missing opportunities for optimization. Regularly reviewing analytics helps refine messaging and improve overall results. To use Drift iSales Pro effectively, set up lead qualification, personalize interactions, integrate with your CRM, use playbooks, and track analytics. Avoiding these beginner mistakes ensures Drift becomes a true sales accelerator, driving more leads and conversions with less effort.